Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Math. In today's video, we are going to see class 7, chapter 2 measurements, in which we are going to do exercise 2.3, and the first 5 sums we have done in the previous video. Now we are going to continue with question number 6. Okay, let us read the question and understand it first. The sunshade of a window, you know what is sunshade? On top of the window, shade like thing is put just to prevent from rain and sunlights. Okay, that sunshade of a window, on top of the window it is done. It is put, okay, is in the form of a isosceles trapezium. What do you mean by isosceles? We have studied isosceles triangle also. Isosceles means two sides equal. So in this trapezium, two sides are equal, whose parallel sides are 81 centimeter and 64 centimeter. We know what are parallel sides, the top and down. And the distance between them is 6 centimeter. The distance between the parallel sides is nothing but the height of the trapezium. Find the cost of painting the surface at the rate of rupees 2 per square centimeter. See, after finding the area of the sunshade, what are we going to do? We have to paint it, paint the sunshade. So to paint it, to buy paint and all, we need money. So how much money we have to spend? We have to find the amount of money we are going to spend to paint that sunshade. So this painting, whitewashing, all these is when you are finding the cost of painting, we have to find the area. So let us find the area of the sunshade, which is in the shape of a trapezium. Then let us calculate the cost for painting it. So it is in the shape of trapezium. So let us draw the trapezium. The sunshade is in the shape of a trapezium. We know what is a trapezium. One pair of opposite sides are parallel, and we are given the parallel sides are, these are the parallel sides, top and bottom, 64 centimeter and 81 centimeter. You can take anything as A and B. Since this is the shorter side, I have taken 64, and this is the longer side, I have marked as 81 centimeter. And the distance between the parallel sides is 6 centimeter. That is nothing but the height. So let us write down A. Parallel sides are A and B, and the distance between them is height. Now first let us find the area of the sunshade. Area of the sunshade is nothing but area of the trapezium, because the sunshade is in the form of a trapezium. It is isosceles, means these two sides are equal. Parallel sides can never be equal. Only the non-parallel sides will be equal, can be equal in a trapezium. So what is the area of the trapezium? We all know very well. It is 1 by 2 into h into a plus b. So substitute the values of h, a and b. 1 by 2 into how much is h? H is 6 centimeter, A is 64, plus B is 81. So what's the first step to be done? Add the numbers within the brackets, because brackets need to be done first. So it's 64 plus 81. Meaning of bracket is into. Add them. 1 plus 4 is 5. 6 plus 8 is 14. Now just to make the fractions clear, put by 1. So which numbers can we cancel now? 2 and 6. Both are even numbers. 2 ones are 2. 2 3s are 6. Now multiply 3 and 145. That will give you the area of the sunshade. Let us multiply. 3 5s are 15. Carry 1. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. Carry 1. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1 4. And what is the unit of area? Simply if you write like this, it has no meaning. So it is 435 square centimeter, because the measurements are given in centimeter. So the area is square centimeter. Now has the sum over? No, if it is only finding the area, the sum is over. But the question is, we are supposed to find the cost of painting it. And what is given? At the rate of rupees 2 per square centimeter. Suppose you have to paint just 1 square centimeter. This is 1 square centimeter. To paint this much of area, we need 2 rupees. So what is the amount needed to paint the full sunshade? So we know for 1 square centimeter, we have to find for 435 square centimeter. So what is 1 square centimeter to 435? 1 to many, it is multiplication. So let us write the statements first. Let us write the statements. Rate of painting 1 square centimeter. Just to paint 1 square, one small part of it, 1 square centimeter. It is rupees 2. Therefore, cost of painting the total area, which is 435 square centimeter, is equal to 435 into 2, 1 to many multiplication. So multiply 5 2s are 10, carry 1, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 4 2s are 8. What is the unit of this? This is the cost. Cost means it is rupees. So you need rupees to 870 to paint the full sunshade. Okay. I hope you all have understood. Shall we move on to the next one? Okay. Now we'll go to question number 7. Let us read the question. A window is in the form of a trapezium. What is it? It's a window. It is in the shape of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 105 centimeter and 50 centimeter respectively. Respectively means on top and bottom, or it can be bottom or top. Two parallel sides are 105 and 50. And the distance between the parallel sides is 60. What is distance between the parallel sides is taken as? Yes, it is the height of the trapezium. Find the cost of glass used to cover the window at the rate of rupees 15 per 100 square centimeter. You should be very careful here. Here it is rupees 2 per square centimeter. So what per means? Per 1. For 1 square centimeter 2 rupees. So whatever area you are getting, that into 2. But here rupees 15 per 100 square centimeter. So it is given for 100. From 100 we have to find for 1 square centimeter like this. We have to convert from 100, we have to convert per 1 square centimeter. And then that answer we have to multiply by the area of the trapezium. So whenever you are finding the cost, we find the area and multiply by the rate given. But before you multiply, you just check whether the rate is given per square centimeter or per 10 square centimeter, 100 square centimeter, 1000 square centimeter. It will be given like that, per 1 or it was different numbers. So if it is given for different numbers, from there you have to divide 15 by 100. You divide it so that we will get for 1 square centimeter. Then that has to be multiplied by the area. Okay. So let us go to the sum now. It is the window is in the shape of a trapezium. The parallel sides are 50 centimeter and 105 centimeter, and the distance between them is 60 centimeter. So let us denote them. A, parallel sides are A and B, and the height is 60. Therefore, area of the trapezium is 1 by 2 into H into A plus B. I hope you all have become thorough with the formula of trapezium. Yes, okay. Now tell me 1 by 2 into what is H? H is 60. What is A? 50 plus what is B? 105. So what is the first step to be done? Within the brackets. Okay. What is the meaning of bracket? Into. Inside the bracket, what do we have? Addition. 50 plus 105. So it is when you add them, what you get? 155. Am I right? 50 plus 5 is 105 plus 50 is 155. Now which two numbers can be cancelled? Can we cancel 2 and 155? No, it is odd and it is even. So 2 and 60? Yes, they can be cancelled by 2 tables. It goes 30 times. Now denominator has to become 1. Just multiply 155 into 30. So to multiply by 30, you multiply by 3 and put 1 0. Quickly multiply. 3 5s are 15. Carry 1. 15 plus 1 16. Carry 1. 3 plus 1 4. It is 465 and there is 1 0. We multiplied only with 3. So it is 4650. What is the unit? It is the area. And it is given in centimeter. Square centimeter. So we have found the area of the window. This window has to be covered with the glass. So to buy glass and fix it, we have to spend some money. So how much money do we need to fix the glass? What it is given? The rate for, not for 1 square centimeter, for 100 square centimeter, it is 15 rupees. So from 100 square centimeter, we have to find for 1 square centimeter first. So the rate of glass for 100 square meter is rupees 15. Therefore, rate of glass for 1 square centimeter. In the previous sum, it was given for 1. So directly we did only these two steps. We know for 1, we have to find for the entire area. But here it is given for 100. So one step extra in this sum. From 100, you find for 1. From 1, we will find for whatever we need. So 100 to 1 is many to 1. It is division. 15 by 100. It is 15 divided by 100. We'll keep it as it is. We'll simplify in the next step. Therefore, rate of glass for 465 square centimeter. We know for 1, we have to find for many. So, these two numbers we have to multiply. 15 by 100 into 465. So now let us multiply 15 into it. You can put by 1 because it cannot be cancelled exactly. So when you multiply both the numerators, then dividing 100 becomes easy. So without cancelling, let us multiply both the numerators. 465 into 15. So you multiply by 5 first, then you multiply by 1. We get 6975. The numerator is 6975 by denominator is 100. So division by 100 is very simple. We know how to do. If there are 2 zeros, count to 2 numbers and keep a point. And so here this total amount is 4650. Sorry children, we forgot this 0. It is 0. So when you multiply with 15, we put one more 0 here. We multiplied with 15, then put 1 0, 4650. So we multiply 465 into 15, then put this 0. So divided by 1 into 100, 100, cancel 0 and 0. To divide by 10, count one number and keep a point. It becomes 697.5. 697 point. The point comes here because there is 1 0. From one's place, count one number and keep a point. So it becomes 697.5. And what is this? This is the rate of glass. That means rupees. So your final answer is how much money we need? Rupees 697 and 50 pice. We need to put to cover this window with the glass. So first we find the area, then we are given the rate for 100 square centimeter, find for 1 square centimeter. Therefore, we know for 1, to find for many, multiply the rate by the total area. 15 by 100 into 4650 is the area. So to multiply both the numerators, leave out the 0, we multiply the numbers, then put the 0. You get 69,750 by 100. Cancel 0, 0. Now to divide by 0, you count one number from the right hand side, from one's place. After one number, you keep a point. So it becomes 697 rupees 50 paise is the total cost we need to cover the window with the glass. Okay. Now we'll move on to objective type questions. Question number 8. The area of a trapezium, if the parallel sides are measuring 8 cm and 10 cm and the height is 5 cm. See children, this objective type questions is just recalling what we have done. The same questions but given with the small numbers. You are supposed to find the area of the trapezium. You are given the parallel sides are given as 8 and 10 and the height is 5. The same, just it is repeated. So it is just recalling. So 1 by 2 area of trapezium is 1 by 2 into h into a plus b. 1 by 2 into height is 5 into 8 plus 10. Next step, tell me 1 by 2 into 5 into 8 plus 10 is 18. We can put by 1. Cancel 8 ones are 8 nines are. So it is, 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. So 5 nines are 45 square centimeter is the area. So do you have the option? Check the option. Do you have 45 here? Yes, here it's 45. So option 1 is the correct answer. Option 1. Now read the second question. In a trapezium, if the sum of the parallel sides, that is a plus b is given 10 and the area is 140, we are supposed to find the height. So what is given? Sum of the parallel sides means this a plus b in the formula. This is the a plus b. A plus b is the sum of the parallel sides. So a plus b is given and area is given. We have to find the height. So let us write whatever is given. Sum of the parallel sides, that is a plus b is 10 centimeter. Area is 140. So it is a reverse problem. Area is 1 by 2 into h into a plus b is equal to 140. Now substitute the values which you know. Do you know height? Height only we have to find. So h as it is. What is a plus b? A plus b is 10. So in the place of a plus b, put 10. H into 10 equal to 140. Now we have to find h. Keep only h here. Equal to right hand side 140 right as it is. What happens when you take 10 and 2 to the right hand side? Numerator becomes the denominator and the denominator goes to the numerator, or multiplication becomes division and division becomes multiplication. Now cancel 0 and 0. That's all. Cancelling is done. 14 2s are 28 centimeter is the height of the trapezium. Let us check. Do you have the option 28? Yes, option 4 is the correct answer. Next one. When the non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, then it is known as such a simple question. So in a trapezium, the non-parallel sides, what are non-parallel sides? So in this, these two sides are parallel. The non-parallel sides are equal. That means two sides are equal. When two sides are equal, it is called isosceles. Even in a triangle, if you have a triangle, if two sides are equal in a triangle, it is called isosceles triangle. Same way in a trapezium, if two sides are equal, the parallel sides can never be equal. Always one is greater and one is smaller. But the non-parallel sides, the lines which will meet, parallel sides, they do not meet. But non-parallel sides, if you extend them, they will meet at a point. So if the non-parallel sides are equal, that is two sides are equal, then the trapezium is called isosceles trapezium. So it is given here. What is it called? Is it called a square or a rectangle or an isosceles trapezium or a parallelogram? Two sides are equal in a trapezium. So it is an isosceles trapezium. Okay children, with this the exercise sums in trapezium gets over. We'll see the next chapter in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Thank you.